Hello students, welcome to Luminary Academy. And today we are starting the topic that is area and perimeter and volume also, right? So these are the topics which are very important for the coming checkpoint exams, right? So here what we'll be doing is basically, yes, so hello Pranjay, hi. Okay, so what we'll be doing today is basically we'll be going through the topic like finding the areas, parameters and volume, right? So how will we find, let the student join. I think there is some error with this. Very few of the students were able to join. So I just need to check out. Yeah, okay, yeah. So now the student can join. Okay. So here basically we'll be going through the topics such as finding the area of trapezium. Then we'll be going through the finding the area of rectangle. Then again how to find the expression for the trapezium. Then we'll be finding area of the shaded region. Then we have some questions based on parallelogram along with the circle. So these type of questions are there. And later we can find the volume of the cylinder, then surface area of the cylinder. So we have multiple questions today. Area perimeter of a semicircle. Then we'll be finding the midpoint of the shaded region. Sorry, area of the shaded region. So after that we have finding the area of the shape which is given to you. Then we'll be finding the volume of the trapezium, and in the last part we'll be finding the most difficult one from the igcse book. So this is basically based on igcse topic. In this we'll be finding the length of the rectangle, then the area, then the percentage. So these type of topic we'll cover in this exams. Sorry, not in the exam, in the live class, right? But this can come into your exams, right? So these are the topics we'll be going through today. Area of like cylinder, then trapezium, then parallelogram, circle and trapezium, right? So how will we like solving these type of questions? So let's start now because we are already very late. So let's take out the pen. Okay, so here now before we start the topic, there is just an overview. Like there are some shapes which we need to discuss. Like this is a trapezium, right? And the area is of trapezium, because it is a 2D shape, so we can find only area. So this is a trapezium, okay, and this is the height. Hi, yes, okay. Hi Shilashya, hi Adviti, Puranjay, Labdi, yes. So today we have a very interesting question, very important class today. So let's start with this. So area of trapezium. So to find the area of trapezium, we know that it is half into the height, half into height, and then we'll multiply by a plus b. Just a small few of the basics I'm giving you idea how to solve. Then we can start with, now this is the circle, and to find the area of circle we have a simple formula, that is pi r square. Okay, suppose it is a semicircle, so we can use the area of semicircle, we can use the radius. So area will be pi r square divided by 2. Now if you want to find the circumference of the circle, it is 2 pi r. But if we want to find the circumference of the semicircle, it is 2 pi r divided by 2, basics, right? Now there's a cylinder here. So to find the volume of the cylinder, it is very simple formula. So this is a curved path of the cylinder and this is the top area which is circular in shape. So we'll use this. Okay, just a minute. Yeah, so we'll use this. So this will be pi r square. And the bottom part is also, right, the bottom part is also pi r square. This is the area, right? Now to find the volume, there's a direct formula, that is pi r square h. And for finding the total surface area, okay, we can add all the areas. Now we should know, before solving total surface area, we should know CSA, curved surface area. Now curved surface area is 2 pi r h. Okay, so we need to learn this 2 pi r h. That's the only option we have right now. So 2 pi r h. Now if we add all the three areas, this one, and this one, then it will become total surface area. So pi r square plus pi r square plus 2 pi r h, right? Okay, so that will become 2 pi r square, because see, pi r square and pi r square will become 2 pi r square, then 2 pi r h, right? So you can directly apply this formula, or if you want to take out the common part, you can write 2 pi r and then you can write r plus h. So this is also you can apply. Both the formulas are same. So let's start the class. This was the basics of the class. Now let's start the class. Now here it is written here, work out the area of the trapezium. You can do one thing, you can take the screenshot of this, so that if you wanted to use it, you can use it later in the coming parts. So you can take a screenshot. Okay, yes. Now let's start the class. Now finding the area of this trapezium, this is not at all that easy. If you can see the shape, it seems like it is easy, but it is not actually. So here we can apply two ways. We can by the two ways we can solve this. Either we can convert this into a rectangle and a what? Trapezium. If I see this shape like this, it will become a trapezium. So this is our A, this is our B, and this is our height. So whatever way you want to try, just give it a try. Let's see who can answer. So here Lekhansh is also there. Okay, Lekhansh, Shirashya. Let's see. This is not from your textbook, but this is from the igcse book. So not from the book actually, but the level is of igcse, right? So this is 90, so that means this is also 90, and this is 180, so this is also 180 mm, right? Now here we will apply PGT. Without PGT we cannot apply. We cannot find the answer actually. A, B, C, D, and this is E, right? Now to solve this children, we need to find out the AB. Before AB we cannot solve this, right? So this is also 72 mm. This is an mm, right? So this, by that way, if you solve this, you need to apply the PGT first, because this is 90 degree. So I will find AB first. So to solve this, I will write 204, or I will write first in the words AE square is equals to EB square plus AB square, right? Now I need to find AB. So I'll shift this to this side. So I'll write 204 square is equals to, what is EB? EB is 180 square. So 180 square plus AB square, right? Now if I shift this to this side, it will become 204 square minus 180 square, that is equals to AB, and this will be in the under root, right? Now to find the AB, I need to use calculator here, so I am using a calculator. Let's see. Okay, so I got the calculator here. Now I can directly write here. Now I can write under root of, then I can make a bracket, then 204, and then bracket close, square, okay, square, then I will put minus, then again put a bracket, then 180, then bracket close, then again it is a square. So by that way you will get the idea, 96. Okay, so we got the idea that what is the basically length of AB. So this is 96. So directly you can get the, so obviously this type of question will come in paper 2, right? Okay children, without calculator it is kind of difficult, right? Now here, if you got this 96, so you can add 96 plus 72. So I can do it here, 96 plus 72, by that way I'll get 168. So 168 mm will be the height, right? Now here what you can do is you can apply either the formula now. So you can apply either the formula of rectangle and a triangle, or you can apply the trapezium formula. I am applying the trapezium formula. This is my A. This is my A 72. So I'm writing it here 72. The B is 168. So B I will write 168. I'll write as B. And then the height here is this one, because I rotated the figure. So height will be equal to 180 mm, right? So if you tilt this figure like this, you will get an idea like how to solve this. Now, either if you don't want to solve this, I will tell you another way of doing it. So no worries, I will tell both the ways. So finding the area will be equal to half into, because it is a trapezium, height into a plus b. So nobody has given the answer. I don't know why. It's so easy. Now height is 180 and the height will be multiplied by a plus b. So 72 plus 168. Now by that way I can divide 180 by 2. So this will be 90. So this will give you idea 90 multiplied by 72 plus 168. You can do it here. 168 plus 72. So that will be 240. So this will be 240. Now you can multiply them. So if you multiply them, what will be the answer? Puranja has given the answer. Shilasha is telling 13,824 and Puranja is telling 21600. Let's see. So if we multiply this together, so it will be 240 multiplied by 90. So the answer will be 21600. 21600 mm square, right? Shilasha, I think your answer is wrong. You need to just figure it out what you did wrong. Now if you don't want to find this the area like by this formula, you can apply length into breadth. So that is 180. I'm doing it here, 180 into 72. So I can apply, to find the area, I can apply length into breadth plus half into base into height. So length into breadth is 180 into 72 plus 1 by 2. The base will be equal to, now see, half into base into height means, now this is a triangle I'm talking about. So in this triangle, I can write 180 as a base. This is the base and the height is 96, which we just find out. So 180 into 96. So 2 times 1 and 2 times 180 is 90 actually. So 180 into 72 plus 90 into 76, right? So what we can do is, we can use calculator here to quickly find the answer. Now you can see that I can use the calculator here. So it is 180 into 72, right? Then plus 90 into 96. That will give you the same answer. If you can see here, 21600 mm square. So both way are the ways of doing these questions, right? Now we can find, this is the most easiest question which I feel, because now the coming questions will be difficult. So this is just a simple question for you all. Let's see, you can find the area of rectangle. So area of rectangle is 9.5 multiplied by 6.8. Just a simple one for you. Let's see who can answer. Okay, Puranja, no problem. You can be back by 5 minutes. That's absolutely right. Now 9.5 into 6.8 to find the area of, now it is written here, work out the area of rectangle that is 9.5 meter long and 6.8 meter wide. So here the twist was they have not given the diagram. Just read the question and get the answer. So let's see who can answer. Nobody has answered. Divijit, yes, hi beta Divijit. Okay, so 9.6 into 6.8. What is the answer? Let's see. So the answer, I think you should use calculator here. It is in decimal. So 9.5 into 6.8. So that will give you the answer as 64.4 meter square. Okay, so this was one of the easy question. Anyway, this was, now let's give it a try. Who can get the answer? Let's see. I'm giving you 5 minutes to solve this. Okay, let's see. 64.6. Very good, Labdi. Lekhanj, right? Now can you solve this question? Labdi, Lekhanj, Puranjay, Divijit, Shilasya, and who is there? Adviti. You can just give it a try. Just a simple question. Let's see. Yes, Labdi, correct. 64.6 meter square. I have already written meter square here. Yes, this is written. Okay. Now, the diagram shows a trapezium. All the dimensions are in centimeter. So you can see the dimensions are in centimeter. Now, it is written here that 6n is the A. This is your A. This is your A, this is your B, okay, and this is your height. So height is equals to 2h, right? Now here it is written, find an expression for the area of the trapezium. Simplify your answer as much as possible. Okay, yeah, Shilashya, correct. Hello Kushagra, hi. Now let's see who can answer this. This is from the igcse, basically not from the igcse, this is from the checkpoint question. Okay, so you can just give it a try. Let's see who can give it a try. Waiting for your response. Who can give the answer? 6. Okay, Shilashya has told that the answer is 6n square. So answer is 16n square. Shilashya is telling. Okay, let's see it is correct or not. Okay, I'm giving you 1 more minute to give it a try. You just need to apply the formula of area is equals to, Lavdi is saying 16n square. Very good. Let's see it is correct or not. Half into h into a plus b, right? So this is the area. Mr. Bean Classic, hi sir. Hi beta. Who is this Mr. Bean Classic? Okay, so Lekhanch is telling that 16n then into 2n divided by 2. Yeah, Lekhanch, your answer is correct. Let's see, you are also getting the same answer, 16n square. So let's give it a try. Half into, the height will be 2n. So height is 2n, multiply by a plus b. So now you can use the bracket. So children, always make the bracket. Agar aap bracket nahi banaoge, you will always face a problem. So please try to make the bracket as much as possible. And now if you can cut, 2 and 2 can be cancelled. So what is the final answer we got is n into 6n plus 10n. That will give you the answer. 6n plus 10 is 16n, and 16n multiplied by n, that will be definitely 16 into n square. So 16n square, children, is the correct answer. Very good. All of you have almost given the correct answer. Very good. Yes, correct. Kushagra, very good. Now another one for you. Let's see who can solve this one. I hope you are able to see this question. So I want you to solve this one. So you need to calculate the shaded area. Now this is the twist which I feel like very few of can do. Okay, let's give it a try. Let's see who can do this. The diagram shows a circle inside a square. So you can see a circle inside a square. The circle touches the four sides of the square and the area of the square is 81 centimeter square, right? So this is given to you. Now calculate the shaded area. You need to calculate the shaded area. I'm giving you 2 minutes to give it a try so that it is easy for you. If I will do, you will not be able to understand. Like if you will give it a try, then it will be easy. Okay, so just give it a try. I'm having some water. Till then you can just solve this. Okay, let's see who can answer. I'm having some water, so you can just give it a try. Puranjay is telling 17.4. Shilashya is telling 17.4. Okay. Puranjay is telling 17.38. Labdi 17.38. Kushagra is 17.39. Okay. Let's give it a try. Now the area of square is given to you. Now the area of square is side square, or we can say side into side. So area is side into side. right? So area is given to you, that is 81. So side into side is square. So I'll shift this square to this side. So under root of 81 will be side. Now you always know that whenever anything comes out of the under root, it will plus minus 9, and that is equals to side, right? But we cannot take the side as negative, so we'll take the only positive value. So this is positive 9 and this is negative 9. So negative 9 will be cancelled, only positive 9 will take. So the side of the square is 9, right? So this is also 9 and this is also 9, correct? Both are 9. Now that means that the radius of the circle will be half of 9, that is 4.5. Okay, so now we can find the area of square is already given, that is 81. So shaded region we can find by shaded region, shaded area we can take. Shaded area is equals to area of square minus area of circle, right? So area of square already given to you 81 minus area of circle is how much? Pi r square we need to find. So 81 minus bracket pi into r will be 4.5 square. Now I need to use calculator here. So I will write here pi r square. So that will be equal to, so shift and then pi and then 4.5 square, and that is equals to 63.62. We can just round off. So 63.62, right? So 63.62, and I can write answer, and then I can write 81 minus answer, right? So you can get 17.38. Very good, absolutely right, children. 17.38. Very good. All those who have given the correct answer, very good. So this is centimeter square. Absolutely right. Now coming to the next question, this one, let's see who can give it a try. Very good. So you've done a wonderful task. Now here this diagram says that the diagram show a circle with a diameter of 7 centimeters. So diameter of circle is given to you now. So you can find the radius 3.5, 7 by 2, and the parallelogram with a base of 12 centimeters. So children, before we start this, the area of parallelogram I will tell you. Area of parallelogram. So this is the sign of parallelogram, that is equals to base into height. Base into height. So let's see you are able to find the answer or not. So base of the parallelogram is given to you. So base is given to you 12. Now who will tell me what will be the height? First question is this. Let's see. Who can tell me what is the height? By observing the figure or the diagram, you can tell me what will be the height of the parallelogram. Let's see who can answer first. Bhavikriti is there. Okay, Bhavikriti is saying that it is 17.38 centimeters square. Yeah, absolutely correct, beta. Absolutely correct. Now, who will tell me what is the height of parallelogram? Let's see. The first comment, I will accept the first. Let's see who can comment first. Nobody has answered. This is the twist here. Height is given to you, it is visible. Now I want who can answer that what is the height. That's what the twist here. Puranjay, solve final answer. Kushagra is saying that height is 7. No, wrong. Labdi 7. No. Oh, 7. Oh, yeah, 7. Correct. The height is 7. Correct. Absolutely correct. Because the diameter is 7. So here the height will be 7. Absolutely correct, children. So height will be 7 centimeter. Absolutely correct. So if the height is given to you, so you got the area of the what we call parallelogram. So you can just multiply it. So 12 into 7. So you got the 84 as area of parallelogram, that is centimeter square. Now you can subtract the area of circle. So area of circle will be pi r square, as you all know. So that is pi r square, right, children? So pi r square is given to you. So pi and then r is 3.5 square. Okay, so do not leave the class, we have some interesting question. I will just tell you so that you can, today's class will be somewhat lengthy, like we have some good questions today. So 3.5 square, so the answer will be 38.48. okay, so 38.48 centimeter square. Now you can cancel this out to get the shaded region, so I'm doing it a little bit here. So shaded region will be equal to 84 minus 38.48, right? So by that way, what will be the answer? So the answer, and then I'll put this, then 84, then subtract, so answer will be 45.51. Who got the correct answer? 45.51 centimeter square is the correct answer. Okay, Puranjay, you got the correct answer, very good. Only Puranjay's answer, Lekhansh's answer, yes, correct, very good, very good. So Lekhansh's answer, correct answer, Bhavyakati 45.51, very good beta, clear. So this is very simple, we have done the Labdi, very good, correct answer 45.51. Let's see, now you can answer this. So volume of cylinder, see, I am waiting for this question. Actually, this is easy, I know you can solve these questions. So the main part is this one, we have already done in the class, and the most important part which I am waiting for is this one. So I want you children will try this. Okay, we'll skip some question which is easy, so I want you to try this. Okay, before we start this question, do not try, because we also already know that to find the volume of cylinder it is pi r square h. So by applying this formula, you have radius as 7, so this is r and height is given to you. This is easy, so we are skipping this question, right? So now let's do this one, finding the surface area of the cylinder. Surface area of cylinder, this I want you to try. So surface area of the cylinder is basically, okay, I'm waiting for this, give it a try. Surface area of the cylinder, I'm scrolling better, just wait. Okay, so give it a try. Surface area of cylinder, no problem Puranjay, both of you, Lekhansh and Puranjay, it's okay. Now be very quick, we have wonderful questions coming ahead, so I want you to solve this. So here radius is given to you, that is 6, height is given to you, that is 20. Now I want, if you remember the when I started the class, I told you the surface area of cylinder, you need to apply it here. I will not tell the like the formula, because I wanted you all to try. So just give it a try, and then let's see. Let's see who will answer first. I'm waiting for your reply. Puranjay Singh, 980.18 centimeter square. 980.18. Okay, so this because you're done in the class, so you got the answer anyway. You are very quick, Puranjay. Now it is written 980. Okay, you're done in the class, so you all remember this. Okay, this was in your mock exam also, no worries. So this was basically the area pi r square, and this is again the area that is pi r square, and the final curved surface area, that is 2 pi RH. So you can add all the values. So pi r square plus pi r square plus 2 pi RH, right? Now if you add these two, this will be 2 pi r square plus 2 pi r h. So you can take common 2 pi r bracket r plus h. So now you can put the values 2 into pi into radius is 6, then 6 plus 20. So if you further solve 6 into 2, 12 pi, multiply by 26. Done. So I'll need a calculator now. So if I multiply, let's see you got the right answer or not. So 12 pi, shift and then pi, and then multiply by 26. So 312 pi, that is 980.17. 980.17 is your answer. Absolutely correct, children, because you already tried this. Now, so I want you to try the last. We have the second last question. After that, we'll do the most important question of today, and then we'll end the class. We have 9 minutes. I want you quickly try this, children. Perimeter. So find the perimeter of a semicircle. Let's see you remembered the formula. Correct, Puranjay. 2 pi r h plus 2 pi r square h. Yes, correct. Now quickly find the perimeter of the semicircle. Let's see. So the radius is given to you. The radius, that is 12.3 centimeter. So let's see who can find the okay. What is the perimeter now? Let's see who can find the perimeter. I'm waiting for your response. Anyway, Lekhansh, if you can do it, then it is great. No worries. I'll give you one question. Don't worry. Last question is remaining. Let's see you can answer or not. So this is the second last question. Then we'll end the class after the last question. Let's see who can try. Now, this is just a basic question, but there may be some error here. You can make some error. Lekhansh is telling 101.88. Bhavikriti is saying 50.94. Perimeter. Okay, let's see. Now you're getting the different answer. Now that is because you don't have the correct formula. Good morning, sir. बहुत बढ़िया देवांश Trikha. Beta, it is good. Night going on actually. 50.94. Puranjay is telling 38.64 centimeter square. Beta, perimeter how can the perimeter be in square, Puranjay? Perimeter is not area. Area is always in square. Perimeter is in the centimeter or meter. 50.94, 38.64. So there are two type of answer. Okay. So let's see. So I'm solving 50 point 50. Lovely selling 101.88. Okay, let's give it a try now. So perimeter is basically diameter, because if you start from here, if you travel from here to here and then you take a curve path, right? So diameter plus 2 pi r, half of 2 pi r. So basically diameter plus अरे ये क्या बन गया? एक मिनट, ये दिल बन गया बेटा, इसको हटाना पड़ेगा, खराब चीज है। ओके, सो d plus 2 pi r upon 2. So 2 and 2 can be cancelled. Done. So diameter plus pi r. So diameter is 12.3 into 2 plus pi into radius is, what is radius? 12.3. So 12.3 into 2 is 24.6 plus 12.3 pi, right? So if we do it on the calculator, 24.6 plus 12.3 and then multiply by pi. So let's see what is the answer. 63.24. Oh, everyone has changed the answers now. Pretty sure. Okay. Yes, 63.24 is the correct answer, and everyone has done this wrong. Most of you have done this wrong. That is because you have not included the diameter. So diameter must be included in the case of semicircle. So this is a very silly mistake, but yes, it may happen in the exams too. Now, okay, so basically I wanted to solve this question also, but we are short of time today. So we'll quickly go to the important one. You can, I'm stopping this on the question so that you can take a screenshot and give it a try later by watching the video. And then you can also take the screenshot of this and then give it a try. You can tell your answers in the comment box. Okay. Now, this one, the most favorite one for today. Let's see who can give it a try. So first question is find the length of the rectangle. Show that the length of the rectangle is 68. Now let's see, although it is simple, but still, I'll give you a hint for the first one and the B part, C part. Okay, so we have three parts. We cannot see the question all together. So I'm just slightly decreasing the size so that we can see the whole question together. Okay. Let's see if we can able to see the whole question together or not. Okay, we can see the two questions together. Anyway, so yes, I am giving you time to solve this. Already we are short of time, but still I can give you 2-3 minutes to solve this. I'm reading the question for you all. Now the question says that the diagram shows a rectangle with 6 congruent circles inside. So there are 6 circles, you can see that. Now each circle touches the adjacent circle and the side of the rectangle. You can see in the figure that it is touching the sides of the rectangle and they are also in touch with each other. Okay, now the radius of each circle is 8 centimeter. Now Puranjay, 16 into 3. 16 into 3. Very good. Absolutely correct. 16 into 3. Why? So he has given the correct answer. So this is 8 is the radius. So again if we take it is 8. So again if we take it is the radius 8. Now again 8. Again it is 8. And then again it is 8. So by that way we can do what Puranjay has did. He has taken the diameter into 3. But what we can do is 8 times 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 8 times 6 is 48. Correct. So you can write 16 into 3 as 48 centimeter, or you can write 8 into 6 as 48 centimeter square. Okay, so that is easy. Now finding the area of rectangle. Now area of rectangle is this. Okay, so okay. Now finding the area of rectangle. So Kushagra has told that. Okay, yes, correct. So they are saying that it is 8. So this will also be 8. And if this is 8, so this will be 8. And this is 8, so this will be 8. So that means for this length, it is 16 multiplied by 2. That is 32. And this is 48. So area of rectangle will be length into breadth. That is 48 into 32. Correct. So what is the answer? 48 into 32 area of rectangle. Okay. Yes, correct. Now what is the area? 48 into 32. I need to use calculator here. 48 into 32. Nobody has answered here. Let's see who can answer now. 1536 centimeter square. Bhavya is saying 48 into 16. 48 into 16. No, Bhavya, it cannot be possible because this is 16 and we have two circles. So 16 to 16. Sorry, 16 plus 16. So 16 plus 16 will be the breadth. That is 32, or we can say width, right? So this is 16 into 32. 48 into 32. So they are saying that 1536. Okay. So 1536. Now what will be the unit? 1536. What will be the unit? So unit will be centimeter square. So you can see that there is the unit is not given this time. So we have two blanks. So that we have to write like this. Now calculate the percentage of the rectangle that is shaded. This answer I am waiting for from you all. Calculate the percentage of rectangle that is shaded. So that is the question, and you can see the figure here. Calculate the percentage of rectangle that is shaded. Okay. No problem, Bhavikriti. Now, even I can make a mistake here, so that is absolutely right. No issues. Now you can find the percentage. I'm helping you out with the third one. Calculate the percentage of rectangle that is shaded. So this you need to find. Calculate the percentage of rectangle that is shaded. So I'm waiting for your response. The last question, and we have only 1 minute. Quick. So later question, the questions which are remaining, you can take a screenshot and you can comment later that what was your answer. Okay, so we can just figure it out. Centimeter square, correct. I'm waiting for your response for the last one. Calculate the percentage of rectangle that is shaded. Who has answered? Let's see. Who will answer the first? That is the most important. Although I also need to calculate, I don't know the right answer. वीरेंद्र रावत, हाँ यस महिराज, राम राम बेटा. पढ़ लो थोड़ा, काम आएगा बेटा. क्लास में भी बहुत मस्ती करते हो तुम, यहाँ पे नहीं बेटा. 21.46 Labdi is saying. Okay, she's the first one to solve. Very good. She's saying 21.46. Okay, let me check. Let the other also answer, then I will do. And then I will quickly end the class. It is already 45 minutes now. So 21.46. Let's see. 21.46. What about the other student? They are not replying, huh? Puranjay, you don't got the answer. Puranjay, Lekhansh, Shilashya, Bhavyakriti, Mahiraj. What about your answer, Mahiraj? 22%. Don't round off. What is the actual value I want? 22% Lekhansh is saying. Okay. So let others also answer. So I will do in just 1 minute. Final 1 minute, then I will do. Okay. So the question is saying that calculate the percentage of rectangle that is shaded. Riya Chabra is saying 22.47. Okay. Let's see. Okay. So like 22. Sheila Shah is saying 22%. 22. Okay. So basically we already know the area of rectangle, that is 1536. Okay. So that is the total area of the rectangle, 1536 into 100 will do, but we need to find the area of the shaded region. Okay, so the shaded region, how will we calculate the shaded region? So to calculate the shaded region, what I will do, I'll find the area of 6 circles. Find the area of 6 circles. 6 into pi r square, right? So 6 into pi into what is the radius? Now radius is 8. Why I multiplied by 6? Because there are 6 circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 circles. So 6 into pi r square. So you know that the radius is 8. So 8 square. So 6 into 8 square into pi. That I will use the calculator here. So basically 6 into pi into 8 square. So 8 square is how much? The final answer 384 pi 1206.37. So 1206.37. Now what I can do is I can directly apply this formula. Divided by 1536, because the shaded region upon the total region into 100. So the answer is this, and then I will multiply by 100. So the final answer is this, and if we 78. Oh, sorry. I did it wrong. Actually, I got the area of circle as 1206.37. So I need to subtract to get the shaded region. Okay. So this is wrong actually. So 1536 minus 20. What was the answer? I need to calculate again. 6 into 8 square into pi. Okay, into pi. So that was 1206.37. So 1206.37 upon 1536 into 100. So because we need to find the percentage of shaded region, so we need to cancel this to get the shaded region. So if we subtract the answer from 1536, so you will get the answer as 329.62. Okay, so 329.62 divided by 1536 multiplied by 100, right? So that will give you answer as 329.36 divided by 1536, and then it will be multiplied by 100. So you will get the answer 21.46 is your answer. 21.46. Very good, Labdi and Devansh. Labdi, very good. Shilashya, it was almost correct. Perfect. Correct. Very good. So all of you are done correct. So now we'll take a leave for today. It was a wonderful class. Enjoyed a lot, and all of you have given the correct answers maximum. Only the question which was difficult was, I feel, you have made a lot of mistake in the semicircle, finding the perimeter of a semicircle, which I think is an important part. They may ask you. We'll again do a few of the question in later classes. Okay, I hope you enjoyed the class. So I will take a leave now. You also take a good sleep. Bye. Have a great day, and keep watching. Subscribe, and also comment your answers, whatever the questions we have not done for that. Okay, take care. Good night. See you all. Now do not waste the time on YouTube. Just study well. Okay, all of you. Bye. Have a great day. So I'm ending the class now.